We're at the beach now, and this is getting kind of difficult. They're flying kites over there. I don't know if you guys can see that one all the way over there. There's two. The water's here.
Rosie really got her stuck, huh?
Oh yeah, Rosie's is stuck. That kite, guys, that kite is stuck, like the string is stuck in that tree. This one is just fine, because you guys can see that the string is right there. There's so much back here though. Jeez, that one is really up there. I don't know how they got it up there, because you guys can see that they're over there. They're trying to get it out of the tree because it's right there, but it's not working out. That one's starting to go crazy. Oh, oh no, that was so close. Oh my god. I don't know if I got that, but that literally just almost fell right on those people. Oh my god. Dang, Rosie's is just really stuck there. This one's just fine, but that one is super stuck in the tree. Oh, and look, the birds are coming back. The vultures are coming back. You guys can see those two. Well, that one's like pretty far back there, but... Oh! I don't know if you guys can see, but it's there. Oh. This one's getting kind of close to the ground. It's gonna kill someone. Tyler, someone is gonna die today.
Yes, by my hand. It will be premeditated.
Oh, and there's the other one. Oh, did they get it? Did they get it down? Oh, whoa! That one lost it lost. I don't know what it lost, but it lost. Oh, jeez, I almost fell. Oh no! Look! Oh no! It's stuck in a time loop. Oh no! Guys! Oh no, it's stuck in the tree. Oh no, and there goes that. Oh no! No! Guys, let's go save the poor chicken. Yes, I saved the chicken. I'm not sure how we're gonna save the mermaid. It is super stuck in the tree. Dang, it's really stuck up there. Can you guys still see that? It's right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see this through the camera, but it is still It's now, like, it was originally just stuck flying back and forth, and the string was in the tree. This time the actual kite is in the tree. It's in that tree. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's in there. And here's this one, which I saved earlier because it flew to the ground.
They've got one.
Oh, and I'm also finally going to mention that we are currently camping for 2 days.
They're gonna start sending us a
Okay, but seriously, someone is going to die today. If you guys can still see that, then... Oh, is it getting closer to getting down? Okay, Tyler, I'm gonna go check on that one. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go closer to the other kite. Oh wow, it is like really stuck up there. Ow, ow, okay. Oh guys, look at that, it is super up there. Can you guys see that? How did that happen?
Oh, I dropped it. Is that what happened? You dropped it? And then it flew.
It's like right up there. It's right there. I mean, we could kind of see that coming though.
Yeah.
But I feel like as long as it was over there, then it wouldn't have happened. But now it's up there. Okay, gonna go back over there. All right, guys, I'm gonna go back to the other kite, the green one that I saved earlier, the one that's still in the air currently. And oh, ow, ow. I'm gonna go back to Tyler's. It's like really stuck up there. Yeah. But anyways, that one's back there again. Oh, and here's what it looks like all the way back there. If you guys can see that. Oh, there it is.
Kite festival like 2014.
Guys, it's still in that tree. It's like, it's just not gonna stop. Like, it's not gonna get out of there. It's like stuck forever. But hopefully we find a way to get it out. And that's not even where it normally was. Because the string was originally stuck in there, but then they got the string out, but then the kite flew into there, and now the kite is still there as we speak. Oh, some other people that we don't know, they're flying another one right there. But hopefully that one doesn't get stuck. So far, the only thing this one has done is it just stopped working, and then it just crashed. But every time we saved it, and it's been up there for a while now, there's birds, and that kite, I don't know who that person is that is flying it, but there is another kite here. Are there any other ones around the beach? I'm not seeing any others. Yeah.
Should make long videos, the shorts.
That one is like, wait, what's on that one?
I don't know.
I can't tell. What's on that one? If you guys can tell, then what?
Elsa. The one on
Oh.
that one over there is Elsa.
Oh yeah, that is Elsa on that one. That one has a chicken, and that one that was stuck in the tree is a mermaid, but it's stuck, so yeah. So this one has worked the best so far. And at some point, I didn't record it, but it was like all the way up there. Like it was to the point where the string on that was literally gone. But now it's still up there. And Elsa on that one is still, uh-oh. Oh no, it's getting close to the tree. Oh no, oh no. It's like getting really low. Oh, there we go, now it's back. But that one is still in the tree. I don't know if you guys can see, but all the way back there is rocks. And so it's like basically all of that back there. Actually, last time we were here, which was literally just a month ago, was when we made the video with Ollie, when he created all the ice cream flavors. If you saw that video, that's the last time that we were here. We made that video together. But this time Ollie isn't here, and neither is Logan, because he has strep throat, which really sucks. So he just wasn't really up for doing this. He didn't feel good at all. His throat is just really bugging him, so he wasn't able to make it. Where is... Did the mermaid kite get down? Oh no, it didn't. It's still there. So that one's still there, and that one is still there. Well, there's a lot of kites out now. Originally there was just 2, but now there's 3. Apparently that one is still there. Jeez. Oh no. Oh no, that one's getting really close to the ground. The one that has Elsa is like on the ground. Oh, there we go. Now it's getting back up there. Oh, now it's going back down. Oh no. Yeah, those kids over there keep grabbing it. Like if they want it to stay up there, then they can't grab it. Otherwise, it's just gonna go back down. Basically win at flying all the kites. Out of all the people, I think Tyler was the winner.
I even made
Ugh. Oh, this one's getting closer now. Wait, where's... Oh no, Elsa just crashed. It's... Oh, there we go.
the fall of Elsa.
And crashed again. Yeah, they're just not... The Elsa one is not doing great. Oh no, it's getting really close to the tree. The mermaid is still stuck in that tree. It's just gone and it's... Remember, Tyler, remember earlier? It just did 2 circles and then... That was funny. But I didn't get it on video, unfortunately. Oh, that almost hit the ground. Well, wish us luck to get that one down. And wait, where's Elsa? Oh, it's right there. It's right there, but it's the one that has Elsa on. It's kind of down. Oh.
Dang, I did some serious damage today.
Oh, well, you got it now. Oh, there's the one with Elsa on it. It's starting to get up again. But anyways, wish us luck to get that down. To get the other one down. And please subscribe.